Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about how to submit assignments inside of Canvas. In this tutorial we'll go through the different assignment types and how to submit each of them inside of your Canvas courses. So to get started, you can use the navigation area using modules or the syllabus or your grades tab to find the assignment that you need to submit. And next to the assignment, with the description and the instructions from the instructor regarding that assignment, you'll see a button here that says Submit Assignment. Clicking on that assignment brings you to the bottom of that assignment page, and you'll see there's several tabs that allow you to submit different types of assignments. It's important to understand that you can only use one tab per submission, so if you choose to do a file upload, you need to submit this assignment with a file upload before you try to do another type of submission. And generally in that case it's best if you contact your instructor if you've got more items to submit, or try to add any other items to the comments section, and I'll show you how that works. So to start with, in the file upload section you can choose a file, and this brings you a browser to your computer where you can select an assignment to be uploaded. You select the assignment that you want to choose, the file that you would like to choose, and select Choose from your computer. Any comments that you leave here will be left as a message for your instructor, and when you're done with that process you can click Submit Assignment. I'm going to hold off on that for just a minute. I want to show you these other tabs. In the text entry side you see Canvas's rich text editor. It allows you to make some basic changes to your typed entry. You can bold or italicize, change the color of the font, center certain parts, make bolded lists. You can also add links to a text entry by highlighting some of your text. So you could highlight that text and create a link to a URL. Maybe you have some more information on a UEN page or on your Weebly site that you use for your portfolio. So you just click Insert Link. See this yellow box highlights and the link is made by changing the text and making it underlined when you view it. That's how you know the link is accurate and in place. If you want to remove a link, you highlight the same area and break the link here. The only big difference between this text submission and something you may type up in a Word document is that there is no spell check. So you'll need to either type it somewhere else if it's a lengthy submission and spell check it somewhere else and bring it in, or do your own spell check. You can also leave comments in a text submission. So your entry would be the text entry, and then the comments would be sent as a message to the instructors. The next type of a submission is a website URL. If you're submitting an assignment via a website URL, you can type it here or paste it here. Again, if you've left an assignment on your Weebly website, or you've submitted a blog post, created a blog entry for a reflection or a course reading discussion, you can enter the URL to that blog post or to that page here. You can also submit other URLs that may reference other materials that you might be talking about in class, and then leave comments again for your instructor here that'll be sent as a message there. The other type of submission is a media submission, where you're able to record or upload a video comment. So as I turn on my recording, I have to say allow for my camera, and it'll turn my camera on, and I am able to record a video comment for my teacher. Or I can upload media, select an audio or a video file, something that I've already created that's on my computer, and browse for it much the same way as I would for a file upload submission that we talked about at the beginning. So once you've submitted your items in the tab that you've selected, generally you won't see all of these submissions. Most assignments you'll only see one, maybe two of these options. But once you've created the entries that you need and added the comments that you need for that submission, you click on Submit Assignment. And once you've submitted your assignment, you see a screen that says Submitting. The page will reload and it'll say Success. You've turned in your assignment. You'll see a green check mark here. You can click on the details and see more about your submission, see the file or the items that you've uploaded. You can also resubmit the assignment. If you forget to add some ideas or you've changed some things or your instructor asks for a revision, you can resubmit the assignment as long as that's allowed by the instructor. One thing to be aware of when you resubmit assignments, you need to add text to a text entry. If you overwrite any of your text entries, the instructor may not be able to see the original submission. They'll just see the new text entry. So if you're going to add text or edit the text for a text entry submission, you need to make sure that you include the original text as well as the text that you've edited. If you have any questions as you submit your assignments, please let your instructor know. Thank you.